Check out this channel. It blew up in just 3 months by simply uploading a 1-hour lo-fi music playlist. Take a look at their thumbnails. They're going viral now. Here's the earnings from their music. In this video, I'll show you how to achieve this without creating the music yourself or using AI. Instead, we'll use real human-made music, upload it to a YouTube channel, and earn money through the YouTube Partner Program. First, we'll focus on classical music as the ambient and lo-fi music niches are highly competitive. I mean, look at this channel uploading classical symphonies with millions of views. It's perfect to listen while studying and working. The issue, copyright claims prevent them from monetizing, but fear not. I have a way to bypass those claims, coming up in a minute. So we'll create a channel that uploads classical playlists, but let's get started. To get the music, we will use a website called symphonic.odoo.com. Its link in the description. Symphonic offers classical symphonies for YouTube music channels. They provide a package of multiple classical symphonies and whitelist your channel, ensuring you won't face copyright claims. Whitelist simply means that they inform YouTube to allow your channel to monetize their music without receiving Content ID claims when you use it. This allows you to monetize your videos and apply for the YouTube Partner Program and be accepted as your videos haven't received any Content ID claims. You can visit their website for a detailed explanation of the process. In my experience, I chose the $20 plan. For this price, I get all 25 long classical symphonies, a whitelisting for one channel, and the ability to upload the music freely on YouTube without any copyright claims. Later, I'll show you how I created numerous playlists using just these 25 symphony tracks. And just so you know, the background music you're hearing in this video is from Symphonic. So you get the idea of their music. Head over to their website to read about the offer and choose a plan. They operate through Gumroad, ensuring secure payments. And with Gumroad, you can download the music immediately after purchase. As you can see, I've already purchased the package. You will receive all of the music and a license key. To whitelist your channel, simply copy the license key and email it to them, along with your channel URL. Within a few hours, they will confirm that your channel is whitelisted and you're ready to use the music without any copyright claims. It's simple and easy. Now that we have about 25 symphonies, we can mix the tracks randomly to create videos and upload them to YouTube. No need to write timestamps or credits in the description. You can start by using copyright-free photos from Unsplash or Pexels. Use any editing software to compile the photos and music into 1-hour playlists. Add animated overlay, make as many videos as you can, and create unique titles. For example, look at this channel. You can create titles about romantic themes, classical music for studying physics. Just make your channel unique and customize your keywords. You can make the playlists videos on weekends and schedule the uploads throughout the week. Do what works best for you. You even can make multiple music channels, whitelist them all, and upload the same playlists but with different backgrounds and titles. That's it. This music channel business is a great source of passive income, requiring minimal effort and offering good returns.